Hey everyone, hey, welcome back, and I thank you for watching my videos. Hey, have you got dead zones in your house? And when I say dead zones, I mean internet dead spots. The other way would be kind of creepy. Hey, I tell you what, I built a detached studio workshop and the signal bites out there. So I broke out an old extender I had, and after going rounds with it, I found out they do wear out. So otherwise you're going, why isn't this working? Okay, and found this one and figured at this price, if it can just get me by for a while, I'm good to go. Now it's not only getting me by, it's performing at a level I would have spent hundreds more for. So to say I'm happy would be an understatement. Now, what am I talking about? I'm talking about the Verratek DB1200, my pick for the best budget Wi-Fi booster or extender. Now, if you have Wi-Fi dead zones or just want to spark it up a little bit in your home and need to stick to a budget, the DB1200 is a fast dual band Wi-Fi 5 extender that offers you fast connectivity for your TV security cameras, gaming consoles, computer laptops, and more. Or you just want to go out to your shop and work and get internet. Now, this small device uses 4 adjustable antennas to emit high-powered signals strong enough to penetrate walls, floors, different materials and thicknesses, allowing high Wi-Fi connectivity throughout your home. Now, you'll enjoy a more stable signal for 4K streaming of your favorite shows, movies, with uninterrupted speeds of up to 1200 megabits a second, as well as improved performance for the gaming, downloading, and web browsing. You'll also get support for multiple devices with less lag. Hey everybody, I just want to let you know that YouTube kind of messed up. Okay, they did a bunch of switching around about subscribers and so forth. And we lost a lot of subscribers. We didn't lose them. They didn't bring them over. So if you think you have subscribed to this channel and you don't know if you are anymore, do me a favor, go over and go ahead and click on subscribe. Just get you back into the loop. Yeah, I don't know why they did that. We lost just a ton of subscribers, and that hurts people out there because we do this and give away prizes and stuff, and we go by that to pick winners and so forth. So do me a favor, if you haven't already or you need to, is go over and check, make sure you are subscribed, click on the subscribe button if it's not, and get back into the loop. I appreciate it. Now, the DB1200 is a dual band extender that works with both 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz connection. Now, setup is simple and easily connects to your router using the one-touch WPS button to find the best area and place to place the extender. And easy to read LED Wi-Fi symbol lights up each segment and indicates the signal strength. Now, this is an easy way to locate the strongest signal from your router and help you position the DB1200 in the best possible location with the highest level signal, giving your extender coverage up to 1200 square feet, including multiple floors, and the power to penetrate walls and floors. An Ethernet port is included for any wired connections you may want to set up and enjoy speeds of up to 100 megabits per second, whether you're streaming movies, music, working from home, playing games, or just surfing the internet. Now, with the Veritech DB1200 Wi-Fi extender, you'll never have to worry about signal strength and Wi-Fi signals. If your router is based on a Wi-Fi 5 standards and is constrained by a budget, this one might be for you. Now, the Veritech DB1200 is an effective and affordable solution that would be a great choice for you. Now, this Wi-Fi extender features an easy setup and will eliminate pretty much any dead zones in your home. So you won't have to constantly hunt for a stable signal or a Wi-Fi connection. When setting one up, you want to be sure to place it so it best suits your needs, such as if you want the signal to push out to the dead zones, not pull the signal in. I know. Now, for example, my router is in my living room and the studio is approximately 200 feet away with 3 walls in between us, plus the outdoor space. Now, without the Veritech DB1200, I could barely get signal. Oh, here, let me show you some of the speeds, and yeah, nothing. Now, as you can see, I can't even connect to the router. Now, under the 2.4 gigahertz, which I am sure you are aware of, that the 2.4 frequency travels the longest distance, but is much slower than the 5 gigahertz, which didn't even show up. Now, what I did is I placed the extender on the closest wall to the outside and between the router and the studio. And I get a full signal and speeds that aren't too bad out here. Now take a look at the speed test. Now, as you can see, this really helps when you built a shop outside your internet zone. You don't want to buy another service and so forth. Mine works so well that out here I can actually watch live TV and so forth, streaming it. So yes, it does work well. It does get you your signal. And it's just a good way to go. So I hope you like it. Hey, and if I brought you any value, please like this video. I appreciate it so much. And remember to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, you miss stuff. Simple. Hey, and hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any good stuff coming out, along with any prizes and stuff that we might give away. So make sure you hit that subscribe, hit the bell. And if you have any comments or questions or anything like that, put them in the comment section. I answer every morning, and I answer pretty much every question. So I do appreciate it, the ones that do that. And I appreciate it. Thank you so much.